Hi folks, Israel. On the northern border is the country of Lebanon. And currently the country of Lebanon has been infested with a savage group named Hezbollah. They're terrorists, they're savages. And this group is supported by the other terrorist savages in Iran. Well, recently the head of Hezbollah told its members, stop using cell phones because of the GPS on there. The Israelis can locate you, so stop using them. Instead, use these pages we're going to give you, which cannot be traced, they thought. And these pages were purchased from a company in Taiwan made in Hungary. So what happened recently with these pages? All at once, they received a message. And that message on the beeper caused it to overheat the batteries, causing an explosion. Gee! Blowing up about 9,000 of these beepers on these savages, wounding them, in addition to killing many of them.
I commend to your keeping, sir.
The sad part is, I think a 10-year-old girl, she died as a result also. The pager itself was invented many years ago by who? A gentleman by the name of Al Gross, who happened to be Jewish. Isn't that ironic that this Jewish gentleman many years ago invented this device that years later would help defend Israel? So now the leaders are telling their minions, okay, you don't use your cell phones, you cannot use the beepers because they'll explode. Let's start using walkie-talkies. And that's what they're using, walkie-talkies, until today. Because guess what's happening to the walkie-talkies that the savages are holding? They're blowing up! If I was a member of Hezbollah, I would think twice before I use a toaster. Well, listen, they are savages. They get no sympathy because they don't provide any for anyone, even their own people. They savage, let alone what they do to the people in Israel. We'll see you. God bless you. God bless America. And God bless the nation you happen to be in. See ya.
We thank thee, O Lord.